ఓపెన్ చేసినావా? చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. పోలీస్ ఏమంటాడు వచ్చి? ఏమంటాడా? బెల్ట్ పెట్టుకోకపోతే ఏం చేస్తాడు? ఫైన్ వేస్తాడా? నువ్వు మళ్ళీ ఎట్లా కట్టావు? డబ్బులు ఏడున్నాయి నీ దగ్గర? పాకెట్ లో ఉన్నాయా? ఎంత ఉన్నాయి? ఎంత ఉన్నాయి చెప్పు. అక్కడ పోలీస్ ఉన్నాడా? శాంటా ఉన్నాడు, పోలీస్ ఉన్నాడు కదా. ఓకేనా, బాయ్ చెప్పు ఇంకా.
Yep, this one goes here. Yep, this one goes here.
Sarah Walker is New Zealand's latest world champion. The BMX rider has won the elite event at the UCI World Championships in Adelaide. Walker was dominant throughout, winning all three qualifying motos and her semi-final before riding away with the title. When Sarah Walker lined up for the elite women's world championship race, her eyes were on completing her set of medals. After winning silver in 2007 and bronze last year, Walker was chasing gold. And right from the start, she knew the race was hers.
Got an okay game. I was not too bad. Down the street straight there. As soon as I got over the first jump, we got clear. It was just my track from the end.
As riders went down behind her, Walker continued to pull away from the rest of the field. The 21-year-old in a class of her own, as she crossed the line.
Yes, well done. Shall we do dolphin? Shall we do dolphin? Okay. Okay, do it. You dub it. You dub it and do it.
Here, Felipe Massa is driving flat out.
Oh.
In the head by heaps of flying debris. Semi-consciously continues
పెట్టు. నువ్వు సిట్ అయితే నువ్వు పైన కూర్చుంటే రాదు, నువ్వు కింద కూర్చుంటే వస్తుంది. ఇట్లా కూర్చుంటే వస్తుంది. నాన్న కూర్చున్నాడు కదా ఇక్కడనే, ఇట్లా కూర్చోవచ్చు. మేబీ హియర్, మేబీ హియర్, మేబీ హియర్. ఓకే, వేర్ డస్ దిస్ వన్ గో? మేబీ హియర్. Okay. Where does this one go? I don't know. Put it there.
Is thought to be a spring from compatriot Ruben Barrichello's brawn.
Where does this one go?
Safety improvements can still be made to the sport to try to
Maybe
prevent
here.
more drivers leaving the track.
Where does this one go?
Huge waves have been pounded in southern Californian beaches, killing one body surfer and injuring others. Surfers and beachgoers were told to stay out of the water, but
Where does this one go?
warnings to test themselves against the huge walls of water. The 50-year-old man who died was thrown against
Maybe
rocks
here.
rescued
Yeah, where does that one go?
but were unable to save his life.
He started going out, the big set came in, and he got caught in the big set. Before he knew it, he was on the rocks, and next thing you know...
Wow, well done.
Mahati, what's that name, Mahati?
What is this one called?
Over the next couple of
Dolphin.
Not shark అమ్మా, dolphin.
Dolphin.
the ANZ Championship.
ఇంకా చాలేమ్మా, ఇంకా రిపీటెడ్ గా అదేం చేస్తావు.
And Adelaide Thunderbirds faced off for the title today.
What's her name?
The inspired captaincy of
What's her name?
The victims were heavily favoured to win. There was a fair go
Rebecca Singh.
when the world-class goal attack
Rebecca Singh.
had rolled an ankle.
మహతి ఎంత ఫాస్ట్ గా చేస్తావో చూపు, ఎంత ఫాస్ట్ గా చేస్తావో, ఫాస్ట్ గా.
McMahon played on low as the victims led by 8 at half time before winning their first championship 54-46. Spanish rider Alberto Contador has essentially wrapped up the Tour de France with a powerhouse display on stage 20. He heads into tomorrow's largely ceremonial ride to Paris with a commanding 4-minute lead over Andy Schleck. With 7-time winner Lance Armstrong third, David De Soma has more.
I made a breakaway
Yep,
move at 16,
right.
which paid Molson during the most anticipated climb of the Swiss Tour.
Yeah.
This challenge dissipated as he finished in 26th place and 79th overall. The main action revolves around the big three, Alberto Contador, Andy Schleck and Lance Armstrong. Knowing opportunities to claw time off Contador were running out fast, Schleck and his brother Frank tried to get a break on their starting teammates.
Keep doing that, I'll keep following.
When that failed, Andy launched an attack himself.
Will it be a savage acceleration from the man in white? He's checking over his shoulder.
It was an intriguing tactic
with the stars of this year's Tour de France. The last mountain of the Tour de France.
కంగ్రాట్స్ మహతి.
నవ్వులేమ్మా చాలు.
600,000 or 700,000 people.
నమ్మకం.
గుడ్ నాన్న, అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు మనం దీన్ని